What household habits waste the most water?
You know, having an RO system, you get really, really clean drinking water, but it does waste a lot of water in the meantime. Switching to a 2-stage filter actually helps quite a bit. And then the other things, just the habits, I mean, obviously, you know, shutting the water off while you're brushing your teeth, making sure that you're not just turning the shower on and just leaving it on for a good while. If you're sitting there, you're waiting, you know, sometimes on these bigger houses, they're 2 minutes. You have to burn through that cold water to get your hot water. So we install a comfort valve, and that basically gets your hot water immediately, so you're not wasting all that water. And then the other thing is to make sure your toilets aren't leaking. And a good way to do that is just real quick, throw some dye in the top of the toilet. And then if you're seeing that in the bottom of the toilet, you can very quickly identify if you're losing a lot of water there.
From my experience, it's getting hot water to a shower fixture. I talk to customers all the time and they tell me their routine before they take a shower. They're turning their water on, they go use the restroom, they go do other things while they're waiting for that water to get hot. The second place is at the kitchen. So it's always getting hot water. Probably they're wasting anywhere from 1.5 minutes to 3 minutes of water. You're talking 2.5 gallons per minute, sometimes 3 gallons per minute. So you're wasting a lot of water while you're waiting for water to get hot. I always recommend to my customers we're doing some kind of recirculating system, and there's no doubt in my mind that that's the most. A long time ago, it used to be at the toilets, and customers were looking for water conservation toilets, where we came off the 1.8 gallon, we brought it down to 1.28 gallons. As long as the toilet flushes, that's great, but without a doubt, in my experience, it's getting water hot.